Welcome to our comprehensive guide on purchasing a domain through GoDaddy. Whether you're starting a blog, setting up a business website, or just want to secure your online presence, buying a domain is the first step. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process on GoDaddy's user-friendly platform. From searching for the perfect domain name to navigating through the purchase options and ensuring you've got the right extensions, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for easy-to-follow steps, expert tips, and everything you need to know to successfully acquire your desired domain through GoDaddy. Let's get started. Use the search bar on the homepage to enter the domain name you want. GoDaddy will check if it's available. If your desired domain is available, you'll see it listed as available. Click on Make It Your. Here, choose how much years you want a registration. Then click on Continue to Cart. Choose if you want domain protection. Choose if you want Start Website for free or not. And if you want Microsoft Email Essentials. Make sure you book well, then click on I'm ready to pay. Here you found method to pay. There are PayPal, credit card and check. After choose method to pay, click on Pay. Then congratulations, your domain have been registration.